Hello. I hope everybody's having a great day today. I want to review with you guys the new layer one on blockchain Aptos. I did a review video on this a while ago. You can look at my videos down below for a more in-depth review. But Aptos has been absolutely sprinting up the charts the last couple days. It's currently sitting at $16.21. That is up about 32% on the 24 hour. I'm sorry. Yeah, about 32% on the 24 hour, and it's up about 98% over the last week. So Aptos has absolutely been sprinting up the charts and making a big move up. And here we're on a 3 month. If you look at it like down here up in this area is right around $3, and it has sprinted all the way up to over $16. So when we talk about the launch, let's go to the year to date. It's been out less than a year. When we talk about launch, guys, Aptos, when it launched, had a bunch of fanfare with it because it's the developers of Aptos were the actual developers of Facebook's metaverse as well. And when Facebook decided to no longer support the metaverse blockchain, then developers came over here to Aptos and created the Aptos blockchain. So with that, there was a lot of fanfare, a lot of money behind Aptos, and they were set for a successful launch for a variety of reasons, some Discord reasons, some things like that, some FUD that was going on with Aptos. Their launch did not go as well as they thought, but they did come out and launch on a bunch of big, huge exchanges, a bunch of tier ones, but it didn't go as well as they thought. And I seen this dip here, and I actually bought this dip around $3.80 something cents, and have since rolled it up and to where it is now. So the launch didn't go as expected, which is why the dip happened. But why the sudden run? Why the sudden run up for Aptos? Well, Pancake Swap is working with Aptos. Aptos has a lot of NFT projects, including their own, that is getting a lot of fanfare with it. And they're a layer one blockchain, and there's a lot of absolute capital behind this project. I don't know how else to say it, but there is a lot of capital. And if you watch the video that I did before, there's a lot of big name people that have invested in this project. CZ being one of them, and some other big names. Big names. So Aptos is one of them blockchains that has a lot of upside, has a lot of potential, there's a lot of capability as a layer one in the layer one space. Right now, it's ranked as the 20th token on CMC, and it's up like 98% from where it was. So it's really flexing its muscle, especially in a bear market that we're in. It's really kind of flexing its muscle. Pancake Swap has a lot to do with that as well. They account for a big percentage of what Aptos has going on. But right now they're sitting at a 2.5 somewhere in there $1 billion market cap, which sounds like a lot, but it's really not a lot for a layer one. If you go match it up with some other layer one blockchains, 2.5 billion is not a big huge market cap for a layer one blockchain, and they're doing roughly about 2 billion in volume in a 24-hour period, which is up about 140% over the 24 hours. So they're doing really well. It's something to keep your eye on. It's something to look at. It's a layer one. It's not obviously not telling you to look at it and buy it at $16.21, but it's something to keep your eye on. And obviously, when you have a run up this high, at some point you're going to have a pullback. Where that pullback is when it happens, I don't know. But Aptos is one of them projects we've covered early. We covered it like 2 or 3 times on this channel, and we'll probably cover it a little bit more. It has sat quiet for a little while, but now it's starting to come out and really perform. So we probably will cover it a little bit more. But it's a project to keep your eyes on. It's a project to watch, wait for some retracement. If you want to get in and be involved with this layer one blockchain. But do your research, do your own research. Go check out the website, go check out their socials, all that stuff. But Aptos is on the move, guys. It's a layer one blockchain, and we don't see a lot of them coming out anymore. A lot of them are layer twos, but Aptos is actually a layer one. It came out, it's doing well, it's running, and my theory has always been if you can run now in a if you run now in a bear market pump, imagine what you'll do in a bull run. That's just my theory. That's my thought process in this. So you can take that and do with that what you so choose. Again, this is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to invest in anything, but do your own research. But I'm just giving you a project to look at and keep on your watch list. So with that, like the channel, subscribe to the channel, share this out, guys. Like I said, I'll start to bring you guys a little bit more Aptos updates and as things unfold, and we'll keep track of this. And like the channel, subscribe to the channel if you want that coverage, and share this out. And don't be scared